Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be doing a box opening and review about the Kuhl 12-inch stainless steel shower head. So here we got the box. It looks pretty neat. It's all black. Looks like decent packaging. A little bit of damage done to the edges, but that's fine. That happens during transportation. So as we open it, a we will find a shower cap, a loofah that comes along with the shower head, which I think is pretty neat addition. It's very cool loofah, very nice, good quality. I like it. And then after that, we have the instructions. So the instructions look pretty simple. Even in the product description, it said this was a pretty easy installation. So that's cool. So here we have the shower cap. The shower cap looks nice too. It's a great addition. I feel like you're getting your money's worth with even these additions. These are nice. Other companies, you really won't get this kind of stuff. So here we got some I don't know what that is. Some Chinese. I think this is an all Chinese product. So shower cap looks pretty good quality. It's nice. The nice color. So I'm liking the product so far. It has its company name embedded into it. That's nice. Alright, so here we are opening up the actual shower head. So here we have this. It's very, from like looking at it, it looks very nice. It looks very thin. So you can see a little bit of edges here, but obviously it needs something to support the shower and all the water coming in. But it looks pretty thin, looks really nice. It's all stainless steel, as it is in the title. So here we have the installation part, and this is a little safety cap. And here we have the filter. Here's the front of the shower head, and just by looking at it, it looks very nice. It has a lot of nozzles for water to come out. It looks very fancy. It makes it look very rich and modern. Just by looking at it, it looks expensive, but it really isn't. Here we have one. This is like the biggest scratch there is on this product. Probably just happened during transportation or something scratched it while they were making it. Honestly, doesn't matter because you're not going to be really looking up at this while you're showering, right? And looks like the nozzles are very flexible too, so they're not hard. They're all white. This product is overall looking very fantastic. All right, so here it is after the installation is complete. Look at this. It looks beautiful. It looks very fancy, very nice. All the water's coming down perfectly. You know, I think this is a great product to invest your money in. I think this will last a long time, and it's very nice. Look how thin it is. Look how just well made, how well crafted this thing is. Yeah, so this is definitely different from all your regular shower heads. Mary looks fancy. Really impressed with the product. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel for upcoming and interesting videos. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below and don't forget to like. You can also find the link of the shower head below in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.